Hi! Ito ang Raya model ng Centrina Alaminos. Single attached house na mayroong minimum lot area of 121 square meters and 107 square meters floor area with 1 carport and pocket garden sa harap. Ito turnover ang unit sa inyo ng complete with tiles, paint, concrete partitions, and complete bathroom fixtures. Furnitures na lang ang kulang. Kasya ang 6 to 8 seaters sa dining area. Maluwag ang kitchen. Overhead cabinets are not included. Meron tayong bedroom sa baba na pwedeng gawing office area or room for elderly. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang malawak na common toilet and bath with complete bathroom fixtures. Second bedroom is good for single size to double size bed. Lahat ng rooms ay may provision for window type aircon. At syempre, meron tayo ulit common toilet and bath sa second floor. Third bedroom is very spacious. Pwede ka pang maglagay ng mini office table and good for double to queen size bed. At hindi magpapahuli ang ating master's bedroom kung saan kasya ang queen to king size bed. At pwede pang mag-couch. Ang kagandahan dito, meron din itong sariling toilet and bath with complete bathroom fixtures and exclusive access sa balcony. For more details, site viewing and reservation, you may contact us on the email address and phone number shown on your screen. This is EJ Reyes. Thank you for watching.